Noor was sitting at her hostel table when she got a phone call. Her cousin said in a worried voice, "Your mother is in the hospital. It's serious." Noor did not wait a second. She packed her bag and rushed to the village. In the hospital, her mother looked weak but smiled when she saw her. She held Noor's hand and said softly, "I knew you would come, but Noor, your real test is waiting. Go back, my daughter. This illness will go away, but your dream is forever." Noor wiped her tears, kissed her mother's forehead, and took the train back to Lahore. She reached just in time for the CSS written exam, one of the hardest exams in Pakistan. Noor gave every paper with full focus. She was tired but did not stop. She knew this was her chance to change her life. A few weeks later, the result came. Her hands were shaking as she opened the website. Noor Fatima. She could not believe her eyes. She had passed, but the journey was not over. Now it was time for the final CSS interview. Noor went to Islamabad for the interview. A big panel of senior officers and psychologists asked her questions. One of them asked, "Why do you want to join the civil service?" Noor took a deep breath and replied, "I come from a small village where most girls are not allowed to dream. I want to change that. I want to serve Pakistan and give a voice to those who are left behind." One panel member whispered to another, "She is not only smart, she is made for this job." And then the final list was announced. Noor Fatima, first position in CSS. She had cleared all stages: written exam, psychological test, and interview. Back in Mehrabad, her village was filled with lights, banners, and smiles. Everyone happy. Our Noor has made history. Her mother hugged her tightly and said, "You kept your promise, my brave girl." Noor stood at her old school talking to the young girls. One little girl asked, "Baji Noor, can I also pass CSS like you?" Noor smiled and replied, "Yes, you can. One day you'll shine even brighter than me." The end, but her journey has just begun. Remember, dreams come true when we keep walking with faith and hard work. Thank you.